Welcome everyone to the August edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and it's good thinking about what happened last month. A lot of crazy stuff. We had a president resign. We had a former president almost assassinated. We have this war in Israel, things going on in Ukraine, possible things in China, but yet here we are with the S&P up 14%. So there's a lot of underlying things that don't get reported in the media that are going on. So we're looking at, maybe it's the emergence of artificial intelligence, the onshoring of businesses into the U.S., a lot of things. Interest rates is going to start coming down, inflation coming down. So there's a lot of things that are going on that you really have to pay attention to, just besides the political angle. So this month, check out my whiteboard. How does a 401k to a Roth IRA work for railroad retirement? Right? Taking that tax-deferred money that you've been doing, moving it to tax-free. So check out that whiteboard on that. Then I have a mailbag. Can working 1 day a month affect your railroad retirement benefits? Take a look at that, especially those railroaders who need to get those extra months to maybe get to 30 years. Go through that video, really good stuff. And flowchart, should I contribute to my Roth 401k? Right? Some companies and railroads are offering Roth 401ks, not everybody. But hey, maybe pay those taxes up front if you feel taxes are going up, right? We know at the end of 2025, nothing happens, taxes are moving up. So you might want to look at Roth 401ks right now. That might be something of interest there, right? Pay the taxes now. And then the economic chart is should volatility remains low, right? So we've had 500 days of the market with the S&P less than a 2% move, really historical. So I think we've only had 1 day of a 2% move, something like that, very low. Take a look at that. Kind of encouraging about the overall economy, to be honest with you. So railroaders, have a great rest of your summer. We'll get into September, get ready for a little football. Looking forward to that. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.